What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Pascal from Tangled. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the left from the very top. We're going to go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller circle going out and then in. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center. And then on the top left side of each pupil, add a small circle for a little highlight. And I'll fill the inside of the pupil in black, going around that highlight. Now on the inside of the eyes, we're going to add a fold coming down and then out around the bottom of the eyes. Move to the inside and draw two small circles for the nostrils. Now I'm going to move up to the top and draw a thick brow. We're going to start from the outside of the left eye. We're going to go up, come in, and then bend that down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going around and then down. Let's move down and draw the mouth, starting underneath the left eye. We're going to start with a curve going up and then down. And we just want to curl this up around the outside of the eyes. Now we're going to go to the side of the eye and draw the lower half of the head. Start from the left eye, then it's around the mouth, come in towards the center, go all the way around and up towards the right, around the corner of the mouth, and then in towards the eye. Let's go back to the chin. We're going to add a point, bend this in and then up, and then on the bottom of the chin we're going to add one more. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the head. We're going to add a curve from the left side. We're going to go up, round this out, and then bend that down. And then from the side on the left, bend this down and out on top of the brow. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw the front arms. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw on the thumb. We're going to come in and then back out. Just up above the thumbs, we're going to add a curve for the body, coming down and then up. Let's draw two large fingers pointing out. So we're going to start back on the left, go out and down, round up the finger, and then bend that back in. Let's layer the second finger in behind. So we're going to step up, go out, and then bend that in towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a straight angle line, going up and then in underneath the head. Now that we've drawn the front of the body, let's draw on the hind legs. We're going to start from the side. We're going to go up, bend the leg, coming back in towards that front wrist. And then in the center, we're going to add a short line going out. Let's add a couple toes. From here, we're going to go up, around and in, go up and draw one more coming in towards the side of the leg. Now we're going to finish off by layering the tail coming out from the left side. So let's start from the toes. Start by going out. I'm just going to swirl this around. We're going to come in smaller as we come in. Now let's close off the tail from here, bend this in towards the leg. Let's sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Pascal from Tangled. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.